So I used to have a fidget spinner, and it says F.
Hey, turn around so we can see you.
It says, and I used to have a fidget spinner, but I lost it on the playground at school. And guess what? Then I have a fidget spinner. It's red.
Okay, open it.
I'm gonna open it. You make strong packing stickers. Here it is. See if it works. Oh, it works.
Wow, it works way better than the other one.
I know.
That's like the real deal. Daddy went to the fidget spinner website to get you that.
But you can't take this out though.
Try-
The other one,
Do the balancing thing on your thumb.
I thought to do with this one. I can only do it slow.
Awesome.